Hey guys, it is Minecraft Experience and we are playing something that is familiar to all you people, Sonic Dash 2 Sonic Boom. Boom for real. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. This one. Okay guys, we are going to be playing Sonic Dash 2 Sonic Boom, and we are going to do this fastly. Awesome! Okay, you ready guys? It's pointing at Sonic for some reason. Okay, let's do this. Welcome, Minecraft Experience. Yes, that's my name. Let's do this. Come on. Give me what you got. Give me what you got. I could get anything. Okay, so just in case, I want to put the volume down to middle. And let's do this. Come on. Enter my age. 21. Okay, guys, I'm just kidding. My real age is 12. That's my real age, guys. Okay. So yeah, let's do this. I'm 12. Oh really? Come on, let's do this, Buster. Come on. Come on, we can do this. Yeah. Yeah, boy. And jump. This is my first time playing it, so this is why I'm playing the tutorial. Double tap. The dash. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm very new at this controls, so if you guys are pro at this, I do not know how to play this. God help me. Oh jeez. If you're saying I'm a pro, then thank you. Thank you very much. But I don't know what I'm doing. All I'm doing is just mashing some buttons and stuff. Okay, jumping is good too as well. Yeah, I got some orbs. Yay, let's do this. Ooh. No, why did I jump over that? Why? Am I just a jumper? I think I'm just a jumper. Okay. I'm getting orb. Jump! Oh shoot. What the heck's happening? Oh shoot! What the heck? What the heck? Oh my god, no! Oh, that stupid bee. I did not see him. Oh my gosh. No thanks. I'm not gonna revive. I'm just gonna try this again. Okay, we're still Sonic. Yay! Ooh, what's this? What's this? Well, why thank you. Okay, choose a character. Oh, okay. Well, Sonic and Amy do make a perfect match, but Knuckles. Well, Amy destroys stuff. Knuckles just beat up some stuff, but doesn't destroy anything. So I want to go with Amy because she smashes stuff with her hammer. It's very ridiculous, actually. So I think I'm gonna have a great advantage on her, and let's do this. I mean, okay. Okay, I don't know why that she does it, cause I thought only Sonic was, and was only supposed to get the rings. Like, who is this imposter? That's basically what people say. Who is this imposter? This is not Sonic. Somebody stole Sonic's rings and just pretended to be like Sonic. I don't know how to be very steady when you're on the ropes. Like, what the heck? Yeah, that's basically, wow. I'm like, what the heck, bruh? She's stealing Sonic's powers. Are they dating? Wow. It would be pretty funny. Whee! Ooh, Sonic's with me. Ah. When dashing, the hammer turns in... Okay, choose a character. I'm gonna go with Amy because she has lots of awesome stuff with her hammer. Her big, luxurious hammer. Let's do this, Bustas. Freak my ass. Freak it. What is it? I thought they were supposed to punch. Come on, girl. Wait. I'm gonna love this game soon. But right now, I'm just a beginner, so don't do stuff. Yes, I did it. Yay. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm gonna do like one more round and then that's it. Okay, guys? Because I really need this game to be ended so then I can actually do this on YouTube. Because it's hard to do this without stuff. Like literally. Okay, I'm dying. I'm dying by so many things. I'm dying. Oh my gosh. Ah! Whee! That's how she farts. Go like a and then another bye. Wow, this is so freaking funny right now. Let's do this, buddy. I'm going with Sonic. So if you haven't really guessed my age, this is my age, 12. I gave a great big away. And because of you, this happened. And I'm very proud. What the heck? Okay, one more round and that's it, guys, okay? Next. Ooh, another one of my mail. What's in my mail? I want to see what's in my mail. Okay, I get it. Can I see my mail, please? Add. Open. You got a spark. What is spark? One use. Blah blah. Okay, this is gonna be the last round. Okay, guys. Use your sprint to revive. Oh, okay. I'm usually just jumping at this right now. I don't really duck or stuff. All I do is just jump and look around. Oh, so freaking close. Ta-da, you little bitch. Soon is my birthday, guys, so yeah, I'm about to turn 13. It's gonna be so freaking awesome. Okay, you know what I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna pick some Sonic in the house. Let's keep on doing this little stuff. I'm gonna be a party rocking in my house. Boom. Boom. Let's keep on doing. I just ran into a nuke of a. Okay. Oh, okay. I thought that was gonna be it. What? Oh, I should have picked. God darn it. Okay, I'm gonna use this free revive, and then this will be the last one. Okay, a dragon. Ah! Yeah, you're very stupid to do that. Ooh, that's what he's saying. A purse and pizza and another purse. I don't see how this is going well. But I know that they're gonna get on fire. Okay, this is a free revive. A free revive, so let's do this. Ready? Yeah, okay. So remember, this is not the end of the game until I die. So let's do this. This you little boom boom. Whoa! I actually. Oh shoot! Shoot! No! Well, yeah, and this is my second game in the same day and night, and I will soon be getting the rest of the game, but I don't know who the other one is. That brown girl. You can leave me her name inside the link in the description down below, and I will see you guys later. This was awesome. See you awesome guys later. Bye bye.